And good morning. What's happening? Today we are doing something pretty cool. We're doing a gutter restoration. We are doing a specialty stain treatment on the driveway that involves some little bit of rust, a little bit of oil, etc., etc. It's actually a house that we recently did. Customer asked us to come back, address that as well. Originally he didn't want to, but now he sees the rest of the house clean. He wants the gutters to be restored. So again, that's what we're gonna do today. Check in with y'all later. Peace. Alrighty, fellow washers, here we are. So today we are doing some stain treatment and a little bit of gutter restoration on the house that we previously did. Utilizing Gutter Butter. Great add-on service. Please know how to use it correctly. Follow dilution methods and dilution ratios. I myself, I like using a half-gallon pump sprayer that I put about 7 ounces of it into. Get great results. Grab a little scrub brush. Let's get our machine started here and make sure we wet everything down really well before we get started. Nice and wet first, and I mean wet. All right, try not to get this stuff on windows, surfaces like that, because yeah, it works, but you know, you just want to make sure everything is really wet. We're gonna wet the crap out of everything here. Really good. Let's move this here. We don't want the birds to get any chemical in their stuff. Cool. All right. Yeah. So again, gutter butter is great. You mix it right, use it right. As long as you don't want to do anything, it's a fantastic add-on product for what we do. So you can see the before on these gutters. Got a lot of tiger striping. Now we're gonna grab our nifty pump sprayer. Pump. Ooh. I forgot to close that bad boy up right there. All right. Ooh, let me put some gloves on. Ooh, I already smell this stuff. Look at that, moving too fast. Guys, we're PPE. Wear some freaking PPE. Especially when it's hot, make sure you keep all surfaces nice and wet. All right, see if I can keep this wet one more time. Because I am not playing with this stuff. All right. I also like to wet down my brush. There we go. All right. Well, get a good stream going here. There we go. And we do sections at a time. That's just how I prefer to do it. Yeah, scrub, scrub, scrub. Go. And I always start low. I want to give that a good scrub. All right, we're gonna let that sit for a second. So again, agitation definitely gets it moving. Make sure I got nothing on the windows. Because it will etch the windows. It will certainly etch the windows. All right. Again, keeping everything else wet. All right. Give it a rinse, see how we're looking. Okay. So you can possibly go a little stronger. Again, rinsing the shit out of it. You can already see the difference. It's kicking in. All right, so now we know what we're working with. I'm gonna apply it to the same spot again. Give it a good dwell time. Good dwell time. We're gonna keep scrubbing and going. There we go. Pump, pump, pump. All right, let's give her another scrub. There we go. We're coming clean, guys. So, there you go. Second application seems to be doing the job. Definitely doing what it's supposed to. That's what we want to see right there. Yep. There it is. You know, a little elbow grease. Never hurt nobody. Oh yeah. Good scrub. All right. Again, make sure we keep everything wet. This will etch windows, guys. And believe me, you don't want to go through that process. Yep, here we go, it's coming clean. So again, I started with a real light mix. Yeah, you can see it's pulling all the dirt off of there. So we're just gonna rinse this off now. I don't like trying my luck. Some guys, I've seen them do this and just completely melt the gutters off by letting it A, sit too long, or B, diluting it too strong. So we're gonna keep working on this and touch base when we're done. All right, everybody, so second application. Went a little bit stronger on the mix. It is all coming out now. It's exactly what we wanted to do. Let it sit for a second. Again, keep the windows wet. Wet, wet, wet. Because, yeah, again, this stuff is not good to sit on there. All right, let's give her a rinse. See how she's looking. There we go. That's the result we want to see. Nice and clean gutters. That is it. Yep. Lovely. See it all right there. Blows down, goes on the windows. Seriously, guys, just wash this. Keep it wet as shit. I've never wanted to, and I never will take a chance on ruining somebody's window. So, you know, just be cautious. Seriously, be cautious. Got a lot of water sitting up top there. Let's get it all out. There we go. And I mean, you know, wet the shit out of this stuff, man. You know, and I'm not saying I know it all, but I've done it once or twice, and it's better to play it safe than stupid. You know, a lot of guys start with these really strong dilution ratios, and you know, it's easier to go up on it or apply it twice to get the desired result than it is to just, well, flash the gutters and, well, now you're stuck having to pay and replace them for the customer. So, again, guys, play it safe, be cool. Let me show you guys the aftermath here. Look at that gutter. Beautiful and clean. So, yeah, there you have it. Let's keep it going. Okay, here we are scrubbing the other side. Oh, back side of the house. You gotta put some elbow grease into this stuff just to make sure get it all off. There we go. Man, these puppies are coming clean. All right, let's sit for a second. And I'm gonna get back to it. Rinse it off. Ugh. Gotta love results, man. It's like the best part. These windows. Okay, not much more. Oh yeah, major difference. Major difference. So yeah, I mean, there you have it. These bad boys are clean. We'll talk a little bit more about the product I use and everything once I finish this up. Once we go to remove the rust stain. So with that being said, talk to you guys in a bit. Right, last and final thing are battery acid stains, aka rust stains. I use IDT Rust Pro. Not a very expensive product. Again, it's a corrosive liquid. I apply this stuff straight, let it sit 2-3 minutes. You can already see when you put this stuff down, it already starts to work. This is good stuff. We're going to give it a light scrub. There we go. It's just kind of in this whole area. Stuff's not really expensive, so you can certainly not feel bad about using a good amount of it. Got another stain right here. Could have used a pump sprayer. I didn't. Alright. And I mean, this stuff gets right to work. Gonna agitate it. Agitate, agitate. That's right. Instead of applying and applying and applying, I just put the stuff down. I let it do what it does, and then I agitate. There we go. Especially the big one here in the middle. Again, I'm gonna agitate. Pretty large stain altogether, combined with a bunch of little ones as well. There we go. It was battery acid from the golf cart. Happens. Happens. All right, let this sit a second, and yeah, use surface cleaner, get it out, call it a day. Touch base when we get to the final result. Okay, final results on the gutters. These bad boys are looking brand spanking new. Take it to the back here. Actually, you know what? We'll go around the other side. Hey, doggy. There you go. Give him some good love. Got a butter for the win. Restored the shine.